Yo, what is up, everybody? It's P-Sci. Welcome to another video. Back at it again with the S&P 500. Today is going interesting. We are up. So pre-market did some good stuff for us. There was like this flash crash in the morning yesterday, and that was really it like destroyed my calls. But I did end up holding them, and I was able to get most of it back. And then once I was forced out of them at 2:30 local time, because you're not allowed to trade the ones that expire that day in the last half hour of trading. So at 2:30, they were automatically sold by Robinhood. So then I immediately bought these 508 calls for the 29th, which is Monday. And it shot up immediately. It was actually all the way up to the like 242 range. Then at open today, it like dropped way down, and then it came back up, and then it came back down. But I was looking at volume at that time frame, and looking at this chart, I saw it was at this point in the RSI that I saw that it was still strong, and I still saw like big volume bars. So I decided to hold, and it continued on with the green bars in the MACD. So that was useful, and I assume that it's going to go up continually. They're probably trying to spook people because lately, just like it feels like for the past 3 weeks, I don't know, time is a very strange concept. It feels like for the past 3 weeks, we go up slightly, and then it just tanks, absolutely destroying call holders, and then it climbs back up at the end of the day. I think I do want to sell most, if not all, my position before the end of the day, since that pattern might repeat, and I just want to try and lock in some of these profits. Because at the end of the day, it shot up so far past what I had bought in at, because I bought these at 122s. And by the end of the day, in that last half hour of yesterday, let me try and see if I can show that. So it closed at 1 a.m., 12 p.m. Okay, so it closed at like 3 o'clock, and then it immediately shot up from 503 to 508, basically. So 503 to 508, that's like $5 increase. So yeah, I was glad that I had picked up some calls, but I easily could have been burned the other way. Market's just been silly today, or this month it feels like. But yeah, might just sell for some profit here. Lost a little bit from today, but still in the green overall. And I've got 23 shares of the S&P 500 stock, which is finally a little bit green here. So that's nice. Our size dropping, lower volume, it looks like. Not too low, though. It's still... There's two little red bars, and then there's a slightly bigger green bar. To me, that seems like a juke. It might be going up further. I wouldn't be surprised if it just shoots up from here, which is probably why I'm going to hold. But there's always that chance that you get burned. You could have the best technical analysis in the world, and yeah, the market just won't behave the way that you want it to. Overall, on this time frame, it looks like rising support and rising resistance, which leads me to believe that it will go down according to technical analysis. But maybe there's a more complex pattern that I'm not seeing. Like maybe this is butterfly, because over here, a touch point, then up here, then down here, then up here again. But I don't remember which way the butterfly pattern goes. Obviously, it's going to come down a little bit, but then does it go up or does it go down? I don't know. Someone let me know in the comments. This is probably not a butterfly, though. Could be a dragon. There's the tail. No, never mind. It's really funny how the people figured out all this stuff. All right, cool. We're setting daily highs right now, if I'm correct. 508.88. Let's see where that's at. 509.19 was today's high. So we're still a little bit away from that. Yeah, it looks like we have a little bit of rejection off of the 508.80-ish range. Doesn't want it to go too high. Testing it again. Okay, so we are green on our calls again for today, which puts us very green for overall. We're over 100% gains on that. Glad I bought 10. I could probably get rid of half the position now, but I do think it's going to continue to go upward. Don't know how fast it's going to be, but yeah, I know you guys probably want to see me take profits, but I don't think I'm going to be taking profits anytime soon. And I don't want this video to be too long. But yeah, that's just the insight. But at the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor, and I don't really know what I'm doing. I just know that when the RSI goes up, the price goes up, and it tends to follow some sort of a trend. And then the MACD bars, when they're green, the price goes up. So, yeah. That's basically all that I'm basing my decisions off of. And it's not always right. But some people are just really good. They know exactly what to do, exactly when. Yeah, and we've dropped 20 cents. Unfortunate. Bouncing back. I wonder which way they're juking us. Is this going to tank or is this going to skyrocket? Because the price action is almost suspicious here. If I was a market maker and I was controlling the market, making it look like exactly this, what would my end goal be? What am I trying to shake out here? Honestly, I'm trying to shake out the call holders. This thing's going to run. It just touched 90 again. I could be totally wrong. This could tank so hard. But we've got decent volume and the RSI is elevated a little bit. I think it can continue to go higher up into the nosebleed territory outside of that red bar that you see in the center on RSI. Yeah, 508, 88, 89, 90. Oh, and there's another rejection. Yeah, I think they're trying to juke us out of calls. So I'm going to keep my calls. I'll probably update a little bit later if possible. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more. Once I get past 1,000 subscribers, we can talk about possibly doing live streams of some sort, because I know a couple of people have asked if I would ever trade live. I know you guys are just trying to hop on and try and do the same trades as me, which I do not recommend because I'm not good at all. Yeah, Yeah, we'll see about it, but I can't even think about doing that until I'm past 1,000 subscribers, unfortunately, according to YouTube. But anyway, subscribe for more.